My video is about getting rid of the pop-up ads that are coming from the website Ralemploay.space. Ralemploay.space. Some people may see these pop-ups to attack their browsers like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox, even though the peculiarity of these pop-ups is that they mainly target Windows devices. The pop-up by Ralemploay.space does not appear on your screen based on your own intention. Instead, there may be some adware type program enabled in your system that might cause such pop-ups in your screen. And of course, you could simply visit some hacked or compromised website that could redirect you to this particular resource. Speaking about these pop-ups, they try to basically force you into subscribing to their push notifications. The pop-up indicates that you need to tap the special allow button supposedly to continue your browsing. But whenever people mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on allow, they first get redirected to some other questionable content. Plus, they start facing a lot of advertisements that will be displayed randomly on their computer screen. So, what to do if the allow button was clicked by mistake and you now see the great number of such ads randomly attacking your screen? You need to fix your browser to stop these ads. So, go to the menu, go to Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security. Choose Site Settings. Now you need to find the notifications and carefully research the list of the sites that are allowed to send notifications. You may find this Ralemploay.space somewhere in the list, so once you find it, click on this associated button and remove it from the list. This should fix the problem manually, but I recommend you to additionally examine your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, and start checking your system with its help to make sure that your device is free of any other hidden infections. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode, even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called anti-ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected. And then at the end of scan, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So, once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threats with the premium version of the program, or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner Premium version.